Silver last week finally has come closer to our target levels at $30. It has seen 29.80. Yes, I have been sharing this in silver since long that it has come out of this consolidation. This may call for a rally, and look at the twin peaks. $30 levels was an achievable target. It has done this and showed a pullback towards the end of the week, closing it at 27.90. Now, does this mean that silver prices may reverse from here, or it is still bullish and a rise above $30 levels can be seen? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week and for the rest of the month of April? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my daily review twice a day for silver, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. These two updates sets the direction for the day, and it adds a lot much to your profits and the trading decisions. So do subscribe and press the bell to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. In this update, first we'll look into charts alone on all the time frames. Then we will look into indicators, and towards that I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategies. So watch till the look at the monthly charts of silver. See retracement. Then now what did we say? That it is looking forward to double top. Now this double top is done, or there is a possibility in the coming month as well. That is what you should look forward to, but at least this double top is done. And even if silver has to stay in box, it has to achieve these levels. That is what it has done. Now why we have been predicting a rise in silver? See the rise here, consolidation, and the last to last month, watch my monthly review, and in fact watch my annual review for silver, which I shared in the end of December and the beginning of January. That was the annual forecast for 2024. I have been mentioning that the rise in silver is there. It is going to give a breakout. And in the last to last month, we have seen that three diminishing candle calls for it to reverse. That is what has happened. It has breached the first resistance here at 26.20, and see what a fantastic ride we have seen here. Now looking at the monthly, you can say that increasing body size, this is fine. Highs are done. I do not see silver breaking beyond $30 levels in this month. The body size can remain identically, which means even if silver tries to show a pullback, in fact towards 26 levels, then also the possibility of a closer of the month around 27.50 will be very high. Just see this body size of $2.5, and here also it can replicate the same. So this is one observation on the monthly charts. Coming to weekly, now this is the beauty of observation. Reversal was seen here, triple bottom was seen here, and then since then we have seen silver rising strongly. The candle sizes are getting bigger with every move. It appears it has achieved the highs, but now on the downside, as long as $26, 25.80 levels are not taken, we should not be looking forward to a bearishness in silver. Yes, in the coming week, even if it stays above, it drops towards 26 and respects is, we can expect a bounce back or a sharp recovery in silver, because it is still trading bullish in this channel. It can hit the bottom and then bounce back. So yes, I will still not say that silver has turned bearish as long as $25 levels are not taken. Do not treat silver as bearish. Very though it is looking forward to a breakout run, but I see the resistance here at 30 is going to be a very strong. If silver is seen trading above $30 levels, remember sky is the limit for silver. Where are the all-time highs for silver? This is the time post financial crisis. You can see silver has already seen $49 levels as the record highs. Now it is far below the highs here. It is far below the record highs. It has a long journey to cover. Now yes, on the weekly chart, this candle could be the confirmation of a complete reversal, but it has lot, or I will say long distance to cover for confirmation of bearishness. Only and only if it breaks below 26, you can say it is bearish, else a sharp bounce back or recovery towards lower highs cannot be denied. Yes, it is setting up a base for a beginning of the week with a drop and concluding the week with a rise possibility is there. So what lows you can expect? I do see that possibility of 2600 cannot be denied. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts. look at the pullback. Closing here at the bottom of this suggests that the coming candle is going to be bearish as well, where the prices might try to take a dip. How far? It appears that first we might look at 27 or 2680 zone. Possibility is there because see, this pullback suggests that this may continue for a little while, taking it till towards 26. Be careful, be watchful. And look what silver has done. See, triple bottom was there, higher lows are there. Just consider this in this channel. It has fallen back in the channel. Where are the support levels? 26.50, $26. And that is why also I say that silver has got it is stronger support zone. As long as it respects 26, 25, 80, do not treat silver as bearish. A bounce back is imminent. It will trade this bounce back strongly. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. Also, before we proceed to indicators, if you see this, you can find out on the 4-hour charts, you can find that silver has come to its support zone at 2780. Below 2780, we should stay short. We can expect it to move towards 2750, the next support levels. Now 2750, 2720 and $27 levels. These are three greater support here for silver. Any break below 27 will take it till towards 2640, 2620 levels. Be watchful, be mindful, be alert. A drop can lead to a stronger recovery as well. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators here. And if you look at the indicators on the monthly chart, on the monthly charts, moving averages have started to diverge. $22 levels is the base which silver should not break in any near term event. Yes, this is the base here which silver should not break. And if you consider the channel, $23 levels should not be breached in any case here. Stochastic is rising. Look at MACD. Now silver has seen the sharp turn on MACD. After the crossover, till now it was trading with very little divergence. Now the time has come for it to continue on the upside. RSI is rising. Coming to week, on the weekly charts, you can say now the moving averages have started to diverge. Now since long we have seen very minimal divergence, and now it is an upward ascent, and a divergence here suggests that the bullishness in silver may continue to prevail. The support levels on the weekly charts are far below 25, 24, and thus as long as this is respected, we should not be treating silver as bearish. Yes, there was too much of divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average. It will wait for it to climb, and then slowly we may see it achieving the level. Stochastic is overbought. Look at now MACD on the weekly charts rise, retracement for multiple weeks or entire year. Now it is looking upwards, and I am saying it again. Silver has lot much of ground to cover on the upside. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, it can continue to rise. RSI back to overbought zone. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, you can see whenever silver diverges from the 20 period, it tries to converge here. It has converged here. Now it was again divergent. It can possibly converge towards this, which means 26, 26, 50 zone is achievable. If you look at a stochastic, this was staying extremely overbought. It is now looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. Look at MACD on the daily chart, see rise, retracement, and here it is achieved plus 100 levels. Now on the daily charts, plus 100 levels for silver is definitely an extremely overbought levels. This was observed, I think, post COVID times. Yes, that was the stronger rise. It took it towards plus 200, but I think still plus 100 is significantly higher level here, and the chances of a crossover increases. See what it has done, and thus it can try to retrace a little before bouncing back. RSI overbought, trying to come out of the overbought levels. Coming to 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour charts, now moving averages are trading with divergence, and most interestingly, now the prices are trading below the 20 period moving average, which calls for it to converge towards the 50 period moving average, sitting at around 2750, 2760. Very good support exists there. Stochastic has dropped sharply. Look at MACD crossing over here. Trading with divergence suggests that this movement could continue for a little while. RSI has dropped it. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can all trade profitably and comfortably. Before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting 15th of April. Do not miss to register. In this batch, in this mentorship sessions, we focus on sharing all the key concepts, tools, strategies, and the trade setups with the help of which you can identify the profitable trends and the trades with ease and trade profitably. So do not miss this opportunity. Register yourself now. Reach out to me via Telegram, or else you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can benefit. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries. Many of you had also asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, trustworthy with global presence. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description as well. Here, if you join through the link, you will get the lowest spread account and a swap free account. So do not miss, migrate now and save on your hard-earned money. Now, first let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend a buy at $28 levels, but then 28, 28, 20. This complete zone is a great resistance here. Beyond this, I will be looking forward to 28.50, the first, and then beyond this 28.75, $29 levels. Beyond 29, we will look forward to lower highs at around 29.30, the first targets. If it stays above 29.30, we can look forward to a breakout towards $30 levels here. Yes, it can continue to do so. Intermittent resistance at 29.80 to play well, but I see $30 levels is definitely an achievable level. If not this week, then next week. Sooner it should achieve this. Thus, the more it drops on the downside, if you can hold the position, you can expect it to rise towards $30 levels very soon. If not this month, then next. On the downside, where you can take a sell. Now, since you have seen the bearish momentum towards the end of the session, towards the end of the week, it can continue and begin the week on that bearish note, which means we can look forward to a slight drop. If you see prices staying below 27.75, sell here for 27.40, 27.50 zone, first support levels, very strong support. Then 27.20, the next one. If it stays below 27.20 is where you can look forward to 26.80, 26.60, 26.40. Now this is going to be the next support zone here, very strong, and below this we can look forward to 2600, 25.85. Chances, now if you see silver moving toward these levels, remember silver can show a pullback towards the end of the month, even if you see it staying or moving towards these levels. So 26.20 zone or 26.25.80 zone is going to be an extremely important support for silver here, and only breaking below which you should treat this as bearish. Else you can buy at those levels in the coming weeks and sessions and stay bullish. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do watch the twice a day update. Just subscribe and press the bell icon, or join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.